Hook, have you ever felt the thrill of investing in cryptocurrency? The promise of potential returns, the excitement of being part of a technological revolution. But amidst this excitement, a crucial question often arises: is your crypto wallet safe? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular options, Newton Crypto Wallet. Building context. Importance of wallet security. Imagine your wallet containing not just your cash, but your entire digital fortune. The stakes are high, and choosing a secure wallet is paramount. Newton has gained significant traction, but is it truly safe? Understanding wallet types, let's quickly recap the different types of crypto wallets: hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. Hot wallets like Newton offer convenience but come with inherent risks. Cold wallets, while more secure, require physical storage and can be cumbersome. Newton Crypto Wallet, a closer look. Key features: Newton boasts a user-friendly interface, a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and integration with exchanges. But what about security? Security measures. Newton employs various security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for a portion of funds, and regular security audits. Let's break down these measures in detail. 2FA, a crucial layer of protection. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone or email. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Cold storage, a safety net. Newton maintains a portion of its funds in cold storage, ensuring that even if the online platform is compromised, a significant portion of assets remain safe. Regular security audits. Newton subjects itself to regular security audits conducted by independent experts. This helps identify potential vulnerabilities and ensure that the wallet is up to date with the latest security best practices. Addressing common concerns. Hacking risks. While no system is completely immune to hacking, Newton's security measures make it a challenging target for attackers. However, it's important to be aware of the risks and take precautions, such as using strong passwords and avoiding phishing scams. Custody issues. With a custodial wallet like Newton, you don't have direct control over your private keys. This means that if Newton were to face a major issue, your funds could be at risk. However, Newton has a strong track record and has taken steps to mitigate these risks. Loss of funds. If you lose your password or access to your Newton account, recovering your funds can be challenging. It's crucial to have a backup plan and consider using a recovery phrase or seed phrase. Alternative options. Cold wallets. For those seeking maximum security and control, cold wallets like Trezor or Ledger offer offline storage and complete ownership of private keys. However, they require a higher level of technical knowledge. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets provide a balance between security and convenience. They offer a physical device that stores your private keys, making them more resistant to hacking compared to online wallets. Final thoughts. Weighing the risks and benefits, is Newton Crypto Wallet safe? The answer is nuanced. While it offers a high level of security, no system is completely foolproof. The best approach is to understand the risks, take necessary precautions, and diversify your crypto holdings across multiple wallets. Personal responsibility. Ultimately, the safety of your crypto assets depends on your own actions. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, be cautious of phishing attempts, and stay informed about the latest security threats. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, Newton Crypto Wallet provides a secure and convenient way to store and manage your cryptocurrency. While it's not entirely risk-free, its robust security measures and user-friendly interface make it a viable option for many. Call to action. If you're considering using Newton or any other crypto wallet, do your research, understand the risks, and prioritize security. And remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so stay updated on the latest developments and best practices. Outro. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.